Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, last class we had discussed about network benefits. Some network benefits. Here, some network benefits are ease of access. The network stores most of the information on a central computer. It means stored in a server, and then storing information on one or more central computers make it easy people to manage and work with their files. So if we have make one computer as a central computer and store all the important documents in that computer, and that computer connected to all the other computers, then it is easy to do work, and it is easy to take the documents, to take the files. So for doing the work, you can easily access all the file for doing your work. And then work from home. The network has dedicated computers that allow people to connect to the company's network using a modem. Means if you are working from home, that the company allow you to connect your network using as modem. And then once user are connected to network, means one user connected to the network or internet connection, they can work with any data available on the network. So if you are connected, if you are in network mode, so you are able to access all the data what you want from anywhere in the world, uh, that it is easy to do the work as work from home. Then sharing resources. Computer connected to a network, that network can share equipments and device including printer and hard drives. So if you connected your computer, and then all the computers connected, and then if you connected the printer also with all the computers, so it is easy to take the printout with different networks. Means all the persons current, those who are connected with that printer, they can easily take out the printout through that printer. And it is ability resource, means it is a reduce of cost, because suppose 5 computer you are using, so all the, if network is not there, so 5 computer means if you are having 5 computers, so that time you have to buy 5 printer also, if the computer is not connected with each other, not in network mode. So if computer is in network mode, so it is only you have to connect only one printer to all the 5 computers, and then it is easily to give the print command also, and it is easy one by one sequence wise it will give the printout also. Then sharing information. You can use a network to exchange information with other people. Information can be of any form of data, such as document created in word processing program, or information provided to school database. Sharing information means if your computer is connected in network mode, so you can easily share your data with your friends, or those who are, or your friends, your colleagues. Then increase productivity. So using the computer connected to a network, people can exchange information with one another. When employees can easily access and exchange information, they can work more efficiently. For example, network allows people in different office to work on a project together. This also reduce the need of hard copies of all the documents. So increased productivity means if all the computers are connected, and if you are doing in one project work as a team, you have to share your files or documents. So it is easy to share all the files, and it is do the work all together with your colleagues or with your friends. Then sharing programs. Sharing programs, most of the people who are connected to a network use a central computer to work with different programs such as word processor and spreadsheet. So network makes installing programs simple, because only one copy of a program need to be installed a central computer. So here, if you want, if you are connected, and if you want some different programs such as the word processor, spreadsheet, if you want, then it is easy to take from, it is easy to take, means the setup is easy to take from that one particular computer that you had already saved that setup program. Then administration. Networking makes it easy to monitor and control the entire company's computer. Many companies have a person called network administrator who oversees all administration of for the network. So administration means if your computer is connected and all the documents you had stored in one server, that server have to the server the network administrator have to take care. Suppose it is given here one company, in a company, that person, those who are the person who is means who is monitoring and controlling the entire computers of that company, that person is known as network administrator who oversees all administration for the network. Means that person is seeing all the administration part of network, and he or she will be doing the doing the work. As if any troubleshooting is there, then uh, they will clear all the errors or the bugs, and then give the connectivity to each other. Then security. Before accessing information on a network, user must enter a username and password. So these ensure that only authorized people can use the information stored on a network. Username and password allow the network administrator to keep track of everyone who use the computers on a network. So here means, suppose in one computer if you had stored all the documents, it mean, or you are doing work in a you are doing job in a company, and then you are having one your personal computers, and first of all you have to keep secure your all the data. So you have to put the username and password in your computer. Then it is easy for you to keep all the documents at a secured place. And if any trustable person is there, so you have to so that person only you give your password or username and password. So it is easy that the information stored in your computer will not disclose with any other people. So network have built-in security programs. These security programs monitor and report any abnormal activity on a computer network to the network administrator. So networks can be set up to refuse access to anyone who enters an incorrect password that discourages of unauthorized user from trying to access the information on the network. So here network have built-in security programs, so that the security programs monitor and report any abnormal activity can be done in the computer network through to the network administrator. And you have to um, access you have to write only the correct password, or if any incorrect password though someone has entering, so it will show the information to the network. Then multiple choice question. The world's largest computer network is internet. Then a Philip is a computer on the network. Philip is a computer on the network. It is workstation. And you can share Philip and Philip using networking, means you can share resource and programs using networking. So student, you have to first means after writing discussing this multiple choice question, you have to write all the multiple choice question which are there inside the chapter also, while reading the book, while reading the chapter in that multiple choice question. Means this page number 8 is given here, that multiple choice question you have to write in your notebook. First of all, you write the date, any date you write there, write the date, and then write lesson number 1, lesson number, lesson name, and then start writing the multiple choice questions. Then after that we'll discuss the exercise question also. That question also you have to write in your computer copy. So multiple choice question first you write, and then that fill-ups or quiz, very short question answer, all you have to write one by one in your notebook, and through this you complete your notes. Yes, so this multiple choice question you write in your notebook. And then come to the network hardware. So network hardware include the physical components that work together to create a network All computer networks require at least the following hardware. So here computer for while using the network hardware, what which means hardware we need. First of all, the computer we need, and then cables, connector, network interface card. This all we want to connect our computer as a network mode. So student, this will discuss in the next class. Thank you.